Welcome to True North's Take and Make Thursday Crafts. For this craft, we'll be painting and putting together a Firefly-themed clock. What's in your curbside kit? Inside your curbside kit, you'll find 1 wooden mason jar base, 5 bottles of paint, 1 paintbrush, 1 string of fairy lights, 1 bag of clock pieces, Firefly stickers. Let's get crafting! Step 1. Painting the clock base. Paint your clock base in shades of blue and black to imitate a night sky. Start with the lightest blue on the bottom, gradually increasing in darkness. Your clock base may need 2 coats of paint. Once you've finished painting, give your base time to dry. Step 2. Painting the Firefly glow. Plan out where you're going to place your Firefly stickers. Paint circles in shades of yellow and white to imitate the glow of a firefly. Once you've finished painting, give your base time to dry. Peel and place your Firefly stickers into the circles you've just painted. Step 3. Assembling the clock. Inside your clock pieces bag, you'll find 1 motor with a battery, 1 rubber washer, 1 metal washer, 1 hex nut, 1 hour hand, 1 minute hand, 1 second hand. Start by placing the rubber washer on the movement shaft. Then, push the movement shaft through your clock base so that the motor rests against the back of the base. Place the metal washer over the clock base. Place the hex nut over the metal washer and screw it in until you have a tight fit. Remove the plastic coating from each of your clock hands. Gently push the shorter hour hand onto the shaft of the movement motor. Then, place the minute hand and finally the second hand. Step 4. Adding the fairy lights. Using a few pieces of tape, secure your fairy lights to your clock base. Tape the small battery pack to the back of your clock. Be sure to remove the plastic tab before turning on your fairy lights. Set the time, switch on the motor, turn on your lights, and enjoy your new Firefly clock.